Welcome everyone. Today we're excited to introduce two brand new field types in Fusioo, the phone and rating fields. Let's start by taking a closer look at the phone field. To set this up, head to your app's settings and open the fields page. From here, you can go ahead and add a new phone field and open its settings. Here, you can make the phone field required and decide whether it should allow multiple numbers or not. A handy feature, especially when multiple numbers are enabled, is the use of tags. This allows users to label the phone numbers. You can customize the predefined tag list and also let users create their own tags if you want more flexibility. Finally, if you expect most of your numbers to come from a specific country, you can set a default dial code from here. You can also configure the default value, placeholder text, and help message, just like you would with most other field types. But now let's move on to the rating field. To get started, add a new field and open its settings. The rating field offers two display options: icons or a scale. If you choose the icon format, you can select from three visual options: thumbs up, stars, or hearts. You can also define the rating range with a maximum value of up to 10. When using the scale format, you'll also be able to customize the labels that defines the scale. Both the phone and rating fields are fully supported across Fusioo. For instance, you can use AI autofill to automatically extract phone numbers from text, or even ask AI to rate the quality of content writing. These fields can also be added to web forms, making it easy to create user-friendly forms for collecting feedback or conducting surveys. We hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of how these new fields work. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.